Place right across from the courthouse is a private residence. Gallery and art studio. First in Lincoln, established 1932. It's alright, we're under cover. See anything in there? Hey, they're open 10 to 5. All for special appointments. Some kind of a little oven. I could make a pizza in there. I don't think they had pizza ovens back then, did they? Delivery office. Has arrived. Want to live in Lincoln, like it here, need less stress, ready for a chance, want quiet, got a story to share, call me now. Okay. What'd you say? Oh, there's a thing here. Oh, this is private property? Oh, yeah, we did. Site of the old Worley Hotel. Wortley Hotel. This frontier hostelry lodge judges during court terms. So they put the judges up here. Oh, real kitties.
Here's one that looks like Sally. Hi, Kitty. Want the best seat in the house for the cat. You know what they say? I have to take whatever food.
Oh, that's the ruins I was talking about. What was that? Hold on. It says this is the Aragon Store ruins. Oh, yeah, it's closed.
Huh?
It says the dining room is closed. Door. Oh, there was another door here. Actually, might be a couple more rooms here. This is Dr. Woods' house. He was the doctor. So this is a building here with the staff offices of Dr. Watson. This is another look at the back of Dr. Watson's house. I'm peeking in windows. I'm doing window peeping through some really old glass. Everything is in there. It's the Tunstall Store, erected in 1877. And there's a post office on the end. Hi. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
True story. I'll send you some articles to gross you out. Yeah, there's not much left. Yeah, it's just a smaller and smaller Michael Diaz was sick when he took my computer,
Chris.
so I blame him.
Cinnamon,
I
allspice,
think he had his little
cloves,
procedures all over my keyboard.
pepper.
It occurred to me that I saw it. Yeah, it was like the day after he had died. I woke up and I felt putting in my text. He was sick himself, and then he sent his wife to the hospital. The next day.
Material samples, it looks like. Replace those laces. I remember this place like these. Buttons. Skirt facing. Save. Put on the side. Oh, cash register. Scales. Shirts. Corsets. Shoes. Tunstall living quarters. This space was divided into two rooms, as in evidence from the ghost of a former adobe partition right there. There used to be a wall there. On April 1st, 1878, Billy the Kid and several of McSweeney's men shot down Sheriff William Brady and one of his deputies in the front of this store in retaliation for the murder of Tunstall. During the shootout, the kid was reportedly shot in the leg. According to the local physician, one of the storekeepers sawed a hole through the floor there. And I think make that out there. There's a hole in the floor there. Floor goes all on, right, just to the right of the bed, right there. And Billy the Kid was hidden there with a blanket and a revolver in his hand. The sheriff tracked the trail of blood to the store, but then could not find him. This may have been the exact hole where Billy hid and then got away. So back then there was a wall here, so there was a bedroom here and a living room there, just so you understand. The wall is missing.
Dolan, Riley, and Brady, Sheriff Brady was cutting Pretty much, yeah. Now our local historian here now swears that was not an issue, and that the English was an Irish thing. But I don't know. I got no more about these words than you all. I'm sure there's a little bit of an issue there. Exactly. Hopefully that'll help you a little bit. Is this your first time here?
I was here a while back.
Okay.
It didn't look the same. It was in an original rundown.
Really?
Yeah.
Gosh, that had been quite a while back.
Yeah, it was a while back.
Yeah.
Yeah, this place was dark and dirty and
Oh boy. So I've had people that come into the courthouse
Yeah, that's how it was when we were here.
Really? Okay, that's interesting. I would never thought that. I can't imagine that there were a lot of people that have access, you know, they used to.
Well, we couldn't get in all the buildings you get in now, but you could walk into this building and you could walk into the courthouse.
That's crazy. Now, when you come to this building, was there stuff on the shelves?
Some of it was,
Really?
but it was all dirty and dusty and
That's really fascinating. Hard to imagine now, but yeah, this thing provided everything.
and I could have sworn that wall back there where the bed is was there. But maybe I'm mistaken.
Sometimes everybody starts to smush together.
Yeah, because it's been a long time. We were going to a hike today, but see, on the way to Carlsbad, we drove through Lincoln. I forgot all about Lincoln. And then as we drove through, I said, and it was late last night. So I said, well, let's cancel the hike to Goat Cave. It's just a little cave up in the hills we were going to hike to. So I said, let's go to Lincoln instead. And then we're going to go to Carlsbad tomorrow. Yeah. Schlitz. So which rope was best for hanging? Which rope was best for hanging? Yeah.
Of them back when they were going to have it hanging back there behind the courthouse. That's Grandpa on the right. So they had pursued this guy and they finally caught him and they were going to have the hanging and everything, but apparently it was something they didn't do that often.
Cowboy boots of Western film star Richard Farnsworth. Yeah, I think I've seen him. Cowboy boots of Congressman and rancher Joe Skeen. Oh, wagons. Some old pictures. The McSweeney site, which is just a couple houses down, 1915. These are just old pictures of this town. This is a spring wagon with a one-horse wagon used from the 1800s to 1920s. The capacity of this wagon was 800 pounds. This is a mail wagon they use for the mail. And this is a chemical cart. They hold chemicals. Some kind of a pump oil. Yeah, oil. Pump oil. And one of the old big wheel bicycles. Creaky, creaky horse. And modern bathrooms. Old coffee mill. Yeah, coffee grinder. Now that's a coffee grinder. Couldn't set that on your kitchen table. 1871 stove.
First time here?
Okay, U.S. Post Office. It's part of the general store here. It's right on the end. It's like an old-timey post office. I remember using a post office like this when I was a kid. A little bit bigger.